speaking of things kiddos like, cupcakes is certainly high on the list in my house.
Oh, yeah, because, you know, I don't plan for anything. With the 4th of July coming up, I should have a party planned, but I don't. But I'm not stressed. I've got lifestyle expert Cheryl Nelson joining us, and she's got holiday must-haves from desserts to safety tips. So thank you guys thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm super excited to be here. And I gotta say, I'm gluten-free and I'm a vegan, and so whenever I go to a barbecue or a picnic, it is impossible for me to find anything that I can eat. And no, I'm not high maintenance. I know, I can see the way you're looking at me. Do you see that?
I was good with gluten-free.
Well, it sounds to me, Cheryl, like what you're trying to do is be sure that you're not high maintenance.
Exactly.
And since I have a teenager who subscribes to all of these philosophies, I know, like, she doesn't want to stand out. She doesn't want to call attention to herself.
Right.
But she doesn't want to break the, you know, the food rules that she has.
Yeah, so you have to be sneaky about it, kind of, and you want to have something to please everybody. So whenever I host a party, you're going to find food for allergy-friendly people, or if you have dietary restrictions. That's how my cupcakes and cookies are made. And my go-to is always Bob's Red Mill flour. It's the 1-to-1 baking powder. What's great about this is there's no conversion. So if the recipe says 1 cup of flour, you put in 1 cup of flour, and it has 2 grams of protein. Who doesn't like protein, right?
I do.
Yeah, you always want to get some more protein in your diet, and this is really easy to use to make delicious cupcakes and cookies, and that's exactly what I've done. And today, you guys get to decorate them because I like having a DIY bar, any kind of party. People like to get into the 4th of July spirit and be a little festive. So
which one's vegan?
They're both vegan and they're both gluten-free. I'm going to convert you.
Can we just have at it, Cheryl?
Go for it. Yeah, I want you to use the sprinkles. Now, of course, he reaches for the non-vegan. The M&Ms are dairy. I will tell you guys that. But those are going to be safe, and you can kind of decorate however you'd like. And this is just a way to make it fun for the 4th of July.
All right, so while we're creating, and you've got the kids creating, you've got some tips for how people can deal with the 4th of July, like your pets, or if you're out with the kids going to fireworks displays.
Absolutely. So I know the pets, my cats, they hate fireworks. I know dogs hate the sound of fireworks too. So one thing I really like is this solution right here. And what that is, it's a supplement that you can give to your pet. Of course, talk to your vet first to make sure that it's okay. But you can put a couple drops either right in their mouth or also in their water bowl. The number of drops depends on the weight of the pet, but that will help ease the anxiety and make them feel a little bit better. You can also try the thunder shirt. Have you guys heard of that before? Kind of like swaddling a baby. Makes them feel a little bit more comfortable.
She's got
there.
a human version.
Oh! There you go.
I really do. But also my my Rottweiler hound, Sophie, we call it her superhero cape, but that's exactly what she wears.
Superhero cape for the pets. See, that way they feel kind of fashionable too when they're wearing it. So other things you want to have, if you are using sparklers, make sure you're careful. You want to use protective eyewear. Don't let the kids hold the sparklers. First aid kit is good to have on hand. I knew you were going to put those on. I just knew you were. Look at you. You look good. Wear those well. Just don't hurt yourself. First aid kit is there. How about a NOAA weather radio? We get a lot of severe storms around here, right? So if you're heading out to the fireworks, just make sure you know what kind of weather is coming. And then the glow sticks. Any idea what these are for?
So you're out at night, the fireworks are going, you want to keep tabs if the kids are walking around.
You knew exactly what I was going to say. You took away my spiel. Yes, so if the kids try to disappear, you know how to spot them. Can you put this on?
And then also,
I don't know, will that fit over my head?
But that works because if you're in a dark parking lot going to your car after a fireworks show, the cars can see your kids.
Absolutely. That's wonderful. And then my final thing, it's always hot around here, right? Have you ever seen one of these? It's a fan with a spray bottle. Who wants to do the honors?
Come on.
Well,
and then you got to spray yourself.
I don't have any hair, but...
She breaks it.
All right, so if you want any of these tips, oh my gosh, this is awesome. I got a parade coming up.
You guys are coming to my party.
Oh, yes.
Now
Even
let me
if it
ask,
is vegan.
you have to taste the cupcakes.
Okay.
We're not leaving before you taste them.
We will taste the cupcakes, and your job is to stick around. We will be back. And Cheryl, thank you. If you want any of these tips, visit rivercitylivetv.com, and we'll help you find Cheryl, too.
Cheers.
That's right. Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to convert you. Is it good?